welcome to Soul Wonderland. I am your host, Soul, and today we will be doing a look inside of Boruto, Naruto Next Generation, Volume 1, Episode 1 through 13. Here's the slipcover, front, the side, and the back. And then the other side is the same. Okay, here's it out of the slipcover. It's pretty much the same. And then the discs, disc 1 and disc 2. And then we have some artwork in the back. It's just Boruto and the rest of Team 7. Okay. Well, that has been an unboxing and a look inside of Boruto, Naruto The Next Generation. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like the channel. Thank you and goodbye.